Hello, I'm Victoria Caruso and I'm going to be talking about Operation Math, a math drill application with a James Bond Mission Impossible theme for the iPad. Players assume the role of Agent Prime, a suave secret agent tasked with the role of saving the world from the nefarious Dr. Odd. Only by using his mathematical dexterities will Agent Prime successfully infiltrate Dr. Odd's various international villainous lairs.
Welcome to Base 10, Agent Prime.
The app records the missions of 3 different players per iPad, which is extremely useful in classrooms with limited resources where sharing iPads is a necessity. Each player has their own individual Base 10 agent file where their records are collected and they may accumulate new uniforms and gear in response to successful missions. Operation Math has 2 gameplay modes, missions and training. I'm going to walk you through both options, but I'm going to start with missions.
Select an operation now.
Once new operation is selected, players may choose their mathematical operation preference. Players can focus in on a particular mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, work on inverse operation pairs, or tackle the challenge of all mathematical operations in random sequence, definitely the most difficult.
Select your mission.
When players first enter the mission area, most of the missions will be locked and inaccessible. However, one mission from each row is available. Each row represents a different level of challenge: minimum security on the top row, high security on the second row, and maximum security on the third row. Again, this supports a certain amount of individualization in relation to students' present level of performance. Students can get right into the difficulty level that suits their needs and abilities.
An intercepted email has traced Dr. Odd's activities to an abandoned warehouse on the outskirts of Chicago. You have 60 seconds to find his mainframe, set your charges, and clear 5 security doors. Good luck, Agent Prime. Carry on, Agent Prime.
Now, you may ask, what happens when you get the answer wrong? Well, this happens. That's right, Agent Prime just keeps trying until the time runs out, but when that happens,
Better luck next time, Agent Prime.
So, this game is highly addictive. But just in case the high-octane gameplay is insufficient motivation, which I doubt, there are built-in incentives to keep students working towards improvement. As I mentioned earlier, each player can accumulate uniforms and gear as they progress through the various levels of difficulty. Should a student not be a fan of intense pressure and working against the clock, under the gun, so to speak, the app has a training mode. It's also called the Infinity mode. The interface is exactly the same as the mission mode as far as selecting operations and difficulty level, but what's different is that the objective of the training game is to correctly answer as many math problems in a row as possible. Sadly, there are some limitations to the app. Unfortunately, you cannot select which multiples are included on a particular mission. I mean, that would be really useful if you could just say, I want to work on multiples of 3 or 4 or 8 or whatever it is that your class is working on. Other than that, I would love to see other agent options that reflect a little more diversity. Maybe a female agent or an agent from a different ethnic group, just so that kids can see themselves reflected in the agents and the avatars that they use. But all in all, This math app is pure dynamite. It will definitely have an impact on your kids' math fluency. I would recommend checking it out.
Good show, Agent Prime.